Many people use NotebookLM to make PowerPoint decks. OpenAI just launched GPT Image 2. Now you can also make NotebookLM-style PowerPoints inside GPT. It's simple. First, choose thinking mode. It will search the web for you. Compare Codex and Claude Code. No prompt trick. Ask it to make slides one by one. Slices. Make it around 8 to 10 pages. Normally, it only generates one image. If it follows your brief, it will generate multiple images at once. Let's zoom in now. On the left, you can see the different pages. It even shows the page number at the bottom right. 9 slices total. The result is good. So how do we export it? That is also very easy. Just tell it this. Export it as PDF. Then it gives you a download link. Download. Then open it up, and now it becomes a NotebookLM-style PDF. Now I quickly check the text on the pages. For now, I haven't found any typos. Overall, excellent. But what if there are parts you want to change? What can you do? One extra tip for you. Canva actually has a new feature called Magic Layers. Google Canva Magic Layers. Then you will enter this interface. For now, it only supports image uploads. No PDFs yet. So go back to ChatGPT, pick the image you want to open and edit in Canva. Then download that JPG separately. Then return to Canva Magic Layers and upload it. It takes a few seconds. It separates the design elements and text. Now let's see the result. Pretty nice. Now all the text is editable, so you can move it, rewrite it, or resize it. The font it auto-match is also good. The one small downside is that the graphics below aren't very pretty. You can see this background pattern here. It can also be separated and edited. Since I always use paid Canva, I'm not too sure myself whether Magic Layers is also available to free users. I suggest you try it out. Here, I change the second line of text to orange, then save it. Next, I go back to ChatGPT. I upload the edited image. Here, I tell it to update the PDF. Replace page 4 with this new image. After a while, it gives me the PDF download again. Then I download it again. Now I open this PDF to check. You can see page 4 has been replaced. The text I changed earlier is now orange. That's it. I recommend you try it too. Hope you like this tip. Tip: next Friday and Saturday, 2 workshops. On May 2nd, we take a closer look at Manus. It's a full AI agent. People from our 3-hour workshop may ask, this one is 6 hours. What's new? We added advanced tools, including how to use MCP, advanced API integrations, and we also added Soul Computer, a polished, cheap AI agent. We'll use Manus as the hands-on practice example, but I want to stress we use the tool for practice. Grasp AI agent logic. Once you grasp that logic, you can use any AI agent tool. To learn more about it, click the link below. Hope to see you there.